Hi everybody, back here again today on the farm. So we got 84 black Jersey Giant chicks here. So done like a 1 week review and first kind of cleaning out since they're pooping quite a lot now. So we haven't lost, in the last week I got these from Murray McMurray Hatcheries out of Iowa. We lost one chick in the box when they came in, which if you guys watched the first video, you saw that. And I don't know what happened with him or her. I don't know if the other one's ganged up on him or what, but or her or whatever. But we haven't lost a single chick since. I'm a big believer in using the Save a Chick stuff, the electrolytes, probiotic. You can buy that several different. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a representative of them or anything else. It's just it's always worked out well for us. They keeps them kind of flowing, the digestive system and all that, and hydrated. And we've never lost a chick using that. So like I said, we had actually ordered 75 total. They sent us 85, and one was dead in the box, and now we're still at 84. So we got 47, I believe. So today, you can kind of take a look at them. They're growing. And, everybody seems to be happy for the most part. They're little raptors, getting little feathers on them. So cute little guys. But now they're starting to eat quite a bit more. So I've been, the first week, last 5 days or so, I was only putting feed in there about every other day, and they weren't really eating it. But now, like, I'm putting in there twice a day, so they're eating a lot more now. But today, just wanted to kind of do a review on these guys, and we're going to clean them out, put new bedding in. So we're going to move these ones into there, and dump all this, take everything out, dump this out in the loader bucket out there. Then we'll dump that out, and then some of the plowed ground out there, and we'll mix it in when we plant plants and all that for fertilizer, compost type of thing. So then after we move one from one side, then we'll split them up and clean out this side as well. So, but we'll go ahead and get started with it here. We're gonna move these guys. These guys seem to be eating a lot more, so I kind of want to mix them up a little bit and get a good kind of consistent watering and feeding. So. But, see, they're getting little tail feathers and all that, so. But growing pretty well. So like I said, we haven't lost a single bird since they've got here, so. Just put all these guys in there. Get the light off there. Everybody there, so I'm gonna take this water out of here, feeder out, and we're gonna clean all this stuff up. Take this container out, and we'll dump it out in the Massey Ferguson out there in the bucket, and we'll clean everything up, and they'll have everything all nice and fresh. So I'll take this stuff outside. It's a little bit cold up here in Northeast Ohio right now. We had really nice weather about from March 30th to about 2 days ago or so. It was 70s and 80s, and now we're back down in normal crappy weather for Northeast Ohio. Back down in the high 40s, 30s at night, and rain and all that. So I've actually been running the heater in here to kind of keep them nice 50 degrees, 50, 60 degrees in here and whatnot. But, so not very pleasant, and it's not looking, for about the next week or so, it's not looking very pleasant. So I guess we're back to normalcy for where we're at. All right, then pretty much put the clean the waters up and the feeders, and then we'll go ahead and grab 47 of them out of there, split them up again, and well, actually we're going to put all of them in there because we got to clean out that side as well. Let's actually move this over a little bit because we're going to do the same thing over there. But go out there and clean these waters up and change that stuff out and do the other one. Yeah, so I'll get rid of this nasty stuff here. Clean that out a little bit. So I like to put the probiotic and the electrolyte in. So I do 2 gallon, this is a 2 gallon bucket. So I got, each one of these is good for a gallon. So I got 2 of these, 2 of the probiotics, 2 of the electrolytes. And you want to give them a choice of regular water and the mixed water, but it seems like they like the mixed water better for the most part. I don't know if it's like Gatorade or what, but it seems like they don't touch that regular water, but they actually drink more of the mixed water for some reason. Clean this out a little bit. All right, now we're ready to move everybody over to this side, then we'll do that side, and that'll be a day. All right, so we got everybody switched around here, both pens cleaned out, or containers, whatever you want to call them. So nice and clean, everybody's eating happily. Like the fresh feed and all that, and fresh water, so yeah, pretty easy day. So like I said, 1 week review, haven't lost a single chick. Yeah, pretty good birds, growing, little raptor looking guys, so pretty satisfied. They purchased, I was actually on the website today, McMurray. We paid for the females, we were like at $4 or something. I ordered them in November, and now they're like up over $5. So everything's going up. I mean, if you guys are watching lumber and steel and everything else, it's just crazy. So I mean, the demand and all that stuff. So I'm happy we ordered them early last year because it's went crazy high. So other than that, so like I said, this is what you got to do. Like first week, health, care and all that, taking care of them. If you're interested in raising these birds and all that, they're fun and provide a lot of value. But like I said, they're like little kids. I mean, you got to take care of them, and like I said, eventually when they get older, they'll take care of you as well. So there's a lot of eggs and meat and all that good stuff. So down the road, we'll be doing a lot more on these little guys, and hopefully it'll be a lot of fun for us and for you as well. So that's pretty much all we got for today. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate all the subscribers coming over for the trucking side and all that. So like I said, thanks for watching and supporting us. Like I said, we're always doing stuff. Chickens, tractors, maintenance. Like I said, the weather, we had really good weather the last couple weeks, but then it kind of turned on us. So kind of slowed everything down here. So we're doing a little bit more on the trucking side now. So again, like I said, if you're new, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for the updates so you can get all the new videos. Like the video, and thanks for watching. So we'll see you next time.